Hello from Speaking Academy. Today's story is The Adventure Trip. Learn new A2 English words while listening. Enjoy. Now, check the important English words. They will help you understand better. Here are the words: trail, clearing, footprints, sketch, mushrooms, river, campfire, tent, adventure, and proud. The adventure trip. Alex goes on an adventure. He packs his bag, map, water, and snacks. He wears boots, a jacket, and a hat. He walks on a trail in the forest. The birds sing, and the wind moves the leaves gently. He sees colorful flowers along the path and hears insects buzzing. He sees birds, trees, flowers, and insects. He hears water in a river. Alex crosses a bridge, climbs a hill, and finds a cave. He looks inside carefully and sees rocks, a small stream, and some animal footprints. He draws a quick sketch in his notebook. He drinks water, eats a sandwich, and writes in his notebook. He notes the animals and plants he sees. The sun shines and he feels excited. He sees a deer and a fox near the trees. He takes a photo with his phone to remember the moment. Alex walks to a small clearing and rests for a while. He watches butterflies flying and hears a squirrel in the trees. He collects a few interesting leaves and small stones to show his friends later. He also sees mushrooms and counts them for fun. In the afternoon, Alex follows a trail along the river. He sees fish swimming in the water and hears the birds singing loudly. He writes more notes about the forest and his adventure. At night, he sets up a tent, makes a fire, and cooks a little dinner. He enjoys the warmth of the fire and watches the stars in the clear sky. He listens to the sound of the forest, feels calm, and smiles. He writes a few sentences in his notebook about his adventure. Before sleeping, he looks at the moon and the shadows of trees. Alex feels happy, tired, and proud of himself. He dreams of more exciting adventures in the forest tomorrow. Well done! Read and listen to this story every day. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you soon!